Have you ever found yourself in that all-too-familiar travel dilemma? You're back from an amazing trip, bags unpacked, souvenirs proudly displayed, but then you look at your multi-currency card and see that lingering balance. Maybe it's a few leftover euros, some stray Japanese yen, or a decent chunk of Singapore dollars you didn't quite spend. And the question inevitably pops into your head, can I get this money back into my regular bank account? For years, with many travel cards, that lingering balance often felt stuck. You'd either have to save it for your next trip, hope to find a merchant who accepted the exact foreign currency, or simply let it sit there, a silent reminder of adventures past. It was a minor inconvenience, but an inconvenience nonetheless. It's like having a handful of foreign coins you can't exchange back home, a bit of a financial dead end. This is where the conversation around multi-currency cards, and specifically YouTrip, gets interesting. These cards have revolutionized how we spend abroad, offering fantastic exchange rates and cutting out those pesky foreign transaction fees. They've been a godsend for globetrotters and online shoppers alike. But the ability to seamlessly move money back from these digital wallets to your traditional bank account has always been a key question mark for many users. It's about completing the financial circle, ensuring your money is truly liquid and accessible when and where you need it, not just when you're overseas. So, let's cut to the chase and address the burning question head-on. Can a YouTrip card transfer money to a bank account? The answer, happily, is yes, but with some crucial details you need to know. Historically, YouTrip didn't offer direct bank transfers for all top-up methods. Your funds were primarily for spending or transferring to another YouTrip user. However, YouTrip has evolved, and they now provide a bank withdrawal function, primarily for Singapore dollar, SGD, balances. This is a significant improvement, offering users greater flexibility and control over their funds. Here's the breakdown of how it works and what to keep in mind. Firstly, eligibility is key. You can generally withdraw funds that were topped up into your YouTrip account via PayNow or a linked bank account. This means if you topped up using a debit or credit card, those specific funds might not be eligible for a direct bank withdrawal. So, if you're planning to use YouTrip for a trip and think you might need to withdraw leftover funds later, consider your top-up method carefully. Secondly, the currency matters. Bank withdrawals from YouTrip are typically facilitated in Singapore dollars. If you have foreign currency balances, you'll need to convert them to SGD within the YouTrip app before initiating a withdrawal to your bank account. This ensures a smooth transfer to your local SGD bank account. Thirdly, there are limits and potential fees. YouTrip generally allows a certain number of free bank withdrawals per month. Exceeding this limit might incur a small fee, or you may need to request a refund which has a processing fee. There are also daily and monthly withdrawal limits, so it's always wise to check the latest figures on the YouTrip app or their official support pages before making a large transfer. The process itself is straightforward. Within the YouTrip app, you'll find a transfer option where you can select Withdraw to Own Account. You'll then enter the amount and choose your transfer method, usually via PayNow to your registered mobile number or NRIC. The transfer is often instant or very quick, which is a major convenience. It's important to note that YouTrip also offers international money transfers to over 40 countries, allowing you to send funds to overseas bank accounts or through instant payment methods in other currencies. This is different from withdrawing funds back to your own local bank account, but it adds another layer of flexibility for managing your money globally. So, while there are a few conditions and specifics to be aware of, the good news is that YouTrip has indeed made it possible to transfer money from your card back to your bank account. This enhancement significantly boosts the card's utility, moving it beyond just a spending tool to a more comprehensive multi-currency solution. It means less financial dead ends and more control over your travel money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.